So I just wanted to make a quick update video. Here I am in my dashboard in my website, and once I installed the WordPress plugin, the first thing I wanted to do is install a coming soon page, because I wanted to capture emails from my potential viewers and subscribers and stuff. So I went to plugins and I searched for a plugin. I went to add new, and I typed in coming soon. And I came to this page and I chose this plugin here, Coming Soon by Subsystic. And as you can see, I chose to install it. And after I installed it, I activated it. As you can see, it's active. So let me just show you the install plugin. I go to install plugin. And I'll show you the settings. So this is how the plugin looks. It's in, as you can see, it's in coming soon page mode. There's different modes, as you can see. So there's different plugins. This coming soon page is free. The next one is free as well. And then you have three that are available in the pro version, as you can see. So you need to pay for the rest. I mean, they look pretty cool, but you still have to pay for them. So since I'm a startup blog, I'm just starting out, I'm not gonna pay for them, so I'm just gonna get a free one. I chose this here, and as you can see, it has the header, it has some content, and the bottom section as well, and it has a countdown clock as well. So I made some changes to that page, and I'll show you guys how the page looks. So this is how the page looks right now. And as you can see, it says my website is coming, and it has a countdown clock, and it has a place for email addresses. So when people come, if they want to get notified and stuff, they can add their email address and press the subscribe button. And let me show you by going to my website. So this is how it looks on my website. If you go to dineshonaidu.com, you'll see, this is what you'll see on the page. My website is coming. You'll see the countdown clock. This is how many hours before my blog gets launched. I'm planning to launch my blog at the end of July. That's a very rough estimate, and if people want notifications on when my blog gets launched, they can enter their email address here and press subscribe.